umujyi niwo byatangiye umujyi ngiriya hakurya umujyi byatangiye dore ngira mu mujyi dore ngira akanara rero bya biri convention ngiriya
Nyamirambo, 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 Nyamirambo irayoboye for real, yeah? If you can see, yeah. Hakurya, let me show you what's up. Convention, urabona ko naho barimo, huh? Yeah, rebero, nabo ni ruhande. What the yeah. Reba hakurya na convention. Yeah, fireworks, Kigali burn up. Nibyo bita ngo umujyi. Opa, convention pa, Orihe, mbwira hano urasi. (2026) nuko tuyinjiyemo with the fireworks. Yeah, ichino. Wow. Yeah, kamwe Kigali yose. Rebero rwose urabona ko bagerageje ariko check. Nyamirambo ni ntagereranywa for real.
hariya na alternative nawe ugomba kwituriza ahenshi babiturikije reba Marriott.
Marriott nayo iratwise. Nyami juice.
Bari guturitsa bikajya hejuru.
What else? Yeah, thank you Ben. 2026 nuko tuyinjiye. Happy New Year guys. We wish you all the best wherever you are, all over the world. I see to do what's up. Man, this is how we do it. Anyway, yeah. Happy New Year everyone. And I wish you a prosperous and of course a marvelous New Year. Ishanihiro. Yeah. That's Kigali. Kigali, Rwanda. This is how we do it. This is how we celebrate New Year. This is what we intend to do. So, 26. Right now we are in. That's my Nyamirambo. Yeah, from the here to Monkey Gary straight showing you what's up. What's up, what's up, and what's popping around Kigali, you see? Maze bikaryoha cyane. Huh? Katujye hakurya za convention turebe yose. Aha. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Let's see. Kigali, Kigali. Smart City. Rebero bwa nyuma na nyuma birabaye. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is how we do it. Guys, let me know where are you? Where are you starting the new year? Let me know. Drop the comment. Muri nihe mutangiriye umwaka mushya? Yeah. Whoa. That's what's up. That's what's up. What's up? Check it out, check it out, check it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Kigali yanjye nijoro ari wigeze abiririmba atyo, yeah, yeah. That's the fire. That's the fireworks. Check out, check out, check out. Yeah, yeah. Isound rero rwose mu mahoro igende ikwire isaba, ariko ntituzumve rwose sound nk'iyi ngiyi itari iy'amahoro. Yageze nayiturinde se umwaka mushya muhire, umwaka w'amahoro, umwaka w'amata n'ubuki aho muri hose. Nicyo irage muri rusange, irage crops tubifurije kuva ku irage media house, irage cultural vlog, irage platform, irage heritage, irage to wish you this new year. Ko icyo mbona Nyamirambo irayoboye, naberetse convention hakurya iriya, naberetse wow, what a marvelous. Yeah. Yeah, ahantu hari convention ngo umuriro wagize ute, what? Check it out, check it out. Nyamirambo still reading for real. mwagize neza rero kubana natwe twaberekaga the way we starting a new year, how was popping, how was wow, check out mbega ngo biraba byiza umujyi wose nuko uri. Muri comment mbwira wowe watangiriye umwaka mushya wa 2026 aho uri, mwishimiye gute rwose iyi spectacle duhawe n'umujyi wa Kigali, mu ntara ndetse n'ahandi hatandukanye naho bikaba byagiye biba, ariko check out Nyamirambo burya ari ntashyikirwa. This is how we do it. Zarebera urabona yuko rwose ari nka hari aho uzavuga ngo bari gusudira. Confession rero wow. Kigali nuko ihiye. Wowe uri he? Nje umwaka mutangiriye mu Kigali, wowe utangiriye he? Si harahi kanze nyiguheneze, reka nze nyiguheneze uko yagakwiye. Ubona hakurya conversion, ubona hakurya amahoro, ubona this is how we do it. For real, Nyamirambo irayoboye, sinzi impamvu mutabibona. Wagira ni arteri ureke wagira arteri rwose iri hano regional, ntago nakubeshya. Nureba hakurya hariya ni convention uri kureba. Ibyo dozi biganza. Wow. Abona kuntu turi kugenda convention hakurya iyo kanzume ngire nkugezeyo. Urabona ko ho ni fire. Ariko ku kijyanye na spectacular, Nyamirambo yari yoroboye for real. Iyo convention ya nyuma nabo barimo barayitera.
bari kurasa hari convention barasira ahantu habiri muri yambuga no hirya no muri convention ikazamukira cyane, ahubwo mu mujyi no bitari kugaragara ko irataje.
This is how we do it.
Umujyi nibwo bimeze neza.
Wowe utangiriye umwaka mushya, ibi rero nibyo bita info irangiraho. Abahungu bo ngo bakoresheje magazine maze urufaya rw'amasasu rwumvikana Kigali yose, abantu bavuga bati tuvuye mu icuraburindi dutangiye umwaka mushya w'iterambere. Ubu rero no longer bullets, now fireworks nizo ziba ziri mu kazi kose. Ngayo nguko mwagize neza kubana natwe. Ora, you see what's up?
Hari abashize imbuga ngari n'inyuma no muri convention ni kuri Radisson ni mondani.
Ubwo rero twongere nagiye kubabwira twongere muri 2026, kumbe we are ready in. Bye ngo na 25 bye ngo na 25 dasusa ingona turi gusezera yitwaga 2025 nuko tuyisezeye turi kubita umugeri nuko dutangira 2026 umwaka w'amahirwe, umwaka w'ibishya, umwaka tubifurizamo ibyiza bisa, kandi hamwe na Nyagasani rwose murajya gushyika kuri byinshi cyane. Areas your cultural vlog IRAGE, tuba tuhakubereye kugira tukwereke how cultural things, how ibintu bitandukanye bigenda bishyikwaho, maze mumfashe dushimire umujyi wa Kigali rwose ndetse n'igihugu muri rusange kuba cyaratekereje kuri iyi ngamba y'uburyo ki tugomba kwinjira mu mwaka mushya muhire.
Nuko harimo ibitaro.
Wabonye? Convention urabona ko aribwo bikigera for real. Wow. Ibaze ko ni Kigali nkaba ndi kugukubitira zoom nikagera convention. Pixel respect, mwakoze ibikoresho kweli.
Twebwe tugiye kuryama karuhuka tukazataha ejo amasaha.
Mwagize neza rero kubana natwe, mwagize neza kubana natwe. Gahunda ikurikiye rero ni ugukata umujyi tureba ni gute abantu bawushimiye bawinjiyemo. Reka dukomeze mu kanya rwose live tubereka umujyi, noneho twagiye ku musozi kugira tubereke Kigali yose mutabirebera ahantu hamwe. So now katugane rwose umujyi tuwukate wose tubereka what's popping, what's good. Kandi ndizera ko muza rwose kugenda mubyishimira. Abahageze none twari turi kureba umujyi wa Kigali, ikirere cyari kimeze gute mu mwanya wo kurasa umwaka. Was a nimes Nyarugengeho baracyari maze rero reka duhure mu kanya mu mihanda y'Inyarugenge tureba noneho ni gute abantu bizihiwe, ni gute bawuserutsemo mu hano u Rwanda rero nkumbarwa. Blessings. Mwaka mushya muhire everyone. Big time.
Ahuza ahantu hari amafaranga.